In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find big files taking up space on computer, web browser. If you've ever wondered why your storage keeps filling up, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where the largest files are hiding in your Google Drive, using nothing more than a web browser. The process is simple, clear, and doesn't require any extra tools. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use for your files. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand sidebar. Near the bottom of that list, you'll see an option labeled Storage. Click that. This is the dedicated view that focuses on how much space your files are using. After you open Storage, you'll see a list of all the files in your drive laid out in a table. Focus your attention on the column on the right called Storage Used. This column shows the size of each file, making it easy to compare them at a glance. In most cases, the largest files will appear at the very top by default. That means you can immediately spot the biggest space hogs without having to dig through folders. If the list doesn't appear to be sorted by size, or if the largest items aren't at the top, you can change the order with a single click. Go to the header that says Storage Used and click it. Clicking once will toggle the sort order, and clicking again will reverse it. You might notice a small arrow next to the header indicating whether the list is sorted from largest to smallest or the other way around. Keep toggling until the biggest files rise to the top, which is the most useful view when you're trying to understand what's taking up space. As you review this list, remember that this view is about visibility and clarity. It's a great way to quickly identify oversized videos, large archives, or other bulky files that can impact your available space. You don't need to open each file to evaluate it. The size column gives you a fast snapshot so you can make informed decisions later on. If the interface looks slightly different, don't worry. The storage option and the storage used column work consistently across the web version of Google Drive. That's all there is to it. By going to drive.google.com, opening the storage view, and using the storage used column, plus the simple sort toggle, you can instantly find the biggest files taking up space in your drive right from your browser.